In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a crop. And the reason you would do that is because you want to continue to plan for next year. So you click on this duplicate planting button, and you can see that you planted it this year on March 23rd, 2026 in your high tunnel. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to update that for the same exact date next year so that it continues to go into my crop planner. I'm going to look at that expected harvest range, and I must not have had the correct window in there from last year. So that's a good time to notice that. But now I know that I should have it from beginning of July until end of October or mid-October. And then I'm going to go ahead and add planting. Now, while we generate this AI image, the reason we want to do it this way is because we do believe that everything should have some slight manual touch. I do not want to just duplicate your entire crop plan without clicking, yes, that is my plan. Because the whole point of this is that florists can look ahead and see what your crop plan is for next year. And we don't want farmers saying, oh, that's out of date. I didn't update that. That's actually not accurate. Because the whole point of this whole platform is for both sides to win, for both sides to succeed, so that people that are buying your crops from you know that this isn't something that you just left on autopilot. This is your individual plan for your business, for your farm, when you're going to have things blooming. And so for me, my process is when I go to complete a crop at the end of the season, when it's done, when frost hits, or at the end of the season, I just complete that crop and then duplicate it at the same time for next year.